Okay. The square root of 6 over 50 can be rewritten as what? Okay, so there's something that I didn't tell you. So I'm gonna do it using your skills, and then I'm gonna do it using new skills. Here goes. So you can rewrite this as the square root of 6 over the square root of 50. Okay? That's what you did. I think that's in your notes. Is that in your notes? You're not like, are you texting? All right. So then you have 50. We got to break down 50, right? So we break down 50, and I'm pretty sure you put a what right here? Yeah. A what right here? A 225. All right. And then what'd you do over here? What'd you do over here? 5 and 5. All right. And then what do we get? What do we get? You mean 5 root 2. All right. So cross, kill, out, 5 root 2. And then what do we get for a new fraction? Root 6 over what? 5 root 2. Cool. Now what do you... I know. Keep going. Now what? Yes. Keep going. I know, but you can still do it using your skills. Keep going. Over. Did you do over root 2? Okay. Now what do you get? Is 6 inside a jail? So you're going to get root what? Over. Yeah, that would be right. And then what do you get on top? You got to keep going on the root. You can still chop. You can simplify your root to root 3 over 10. And there's your answer. Wait, no, that's not your answer, actually. You can reduce 2 tenths. So think about this fraction 2 over 10. Because root 3 over 10 is the same thing as 2. Watch this, because I didn't really explain this part super well. It's the same thing as 2 over 10 times root 3 over... But wait. Look, did you see what I just did? How is this... I didn't say this yesterday. How is this the same as this? No, like, let's say I have 3 times 2 over 4. Do you see that? I can split that into 2 fractions. How would I do that? I can split this into 2 fractions. Okay. And it would be 3 over 4 times 2 over something that gives me 4. What would go in here so that when I multiply across, I end up with 3 times 2 over 4? 1. So I can split this up into this. So going back over here, what can I split this up into? This 2 root 3 over 10 can split up to what? This can split into 2 fractions also. How do I do that? 2 over 10 times what kind of 3? Oh, over 1. Good. Okay. Now you can reduce this fraction. But you can, if you know what's going on, you don't have to do this step. You can do it from right here. Okay, so now 2 tenths reduces down to what? 1/5. So 2 goes into itself. I'll do it from up here. 2 goes into itself once. 2 goes into 10 5 times. What's your new answer? From right here. Yeah, square root of 3 over 5. Okay, now let me show you a different way. Well, something I haven't shown you yet. I'm giving you a new skill. You ready? So you see how you have root? This fraction right here can be reduced without still keeping it under the big root. What does that fraction become reduced? What is 6 over 50 just reduced? Calculator. No, just math, enter. Okay, 3 over 25. Now separate your roots, and it becomes an easier problem. Now look. Now what does this become? Say it again. Well, this comes as square root of 3 over the square root of 25, right? All right, and what happens to the top? And this becomes 5. See? So which step was easier? Step 2, the second one that we just did right now, or step 1, which is what we did earlier? Hello? What do you think is easier, the new way or the old way? Anyway, because you don't have to rationalize your denominator. You just reduce your fraction from the beginning. All right.